Aber das ist nicht so ein Gemüseschälen, das ist ein richtiges Fleischmesser.
Das ist eine Waffe.
It's like peanuts, huh? You are making peanuts. So what is this? It's ice cream?
No, der war keine Gleichsteller, aber es ist auch sehr gut.
Okay, nice. This is also paprika? Orange paprika, red paprika? Nice. नमस्कार दोस्तों, तो स्वागत है एक और नई वीडियो में। सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद पिछली वीडियो को इतना प्यार देने के लिए। तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि पिछली वीडियो में मैंने काफ़ी सारी कन्याओं के सामने भोजन बनाने का प्रस्ताव रखा था कि जो भी कन्या मुझे भोजन बनाकर खिलाएगी उसको मैं 100 यूरो देने वाला हूँ, जो कि हिंदुस्तान के तकरीबन 10,700 रुपये बनते हैं। तो उन्हीं में से एक जर्मन कन्या ने आज मुझे अपने घर पे रात्रि के भोजन के लिए आमंत्रित किया। तो चलिए चलते हैं और देखते हैं कौन है वो कन्या और क्या बनाती है, किस तरह से बनाती है। तो मिलते हैं फिर सीधा उसी कन्या के घर से। चलिए फिर। तो गाइस फाइनली मैं पहुंच गया हूँ, चलते हैं अभी अंदर। हेलो हाय, नाइस टू सी यू अगेन। Hey, she's your friend, huh?
My roommate,
Okay, your roommate. What's your name?
Nicole.
Nicole, Raman. Nice meeting you.
Nice seeing you again.
So maybe we can have a small tour of your house. Is it okay?
Yeah, of course.
Perfect. Oh wow. Firstly kitchen, huh? Special thing. Wow, very nice. You did a good arrangement, huh? Candles. Nice.
Yes, it's not
Perfect. Very nice. No, it's really clean. No, it's really clean. Nice. And here is your room.
this is my room.
Wow. It's look very nice. Very clean. Yeah, maybe you can switch on light or it's already on. It's okay.
This is our balcony.
Okay. Oh wow, there are more friends. Hello, hi guys.
Hello.
Hi, Raman.
Hi, Alex.
Maxi, hi.
Hi. So these all are also your roommates? Like flatmates? Okay, no. They are? Okay, they're neighbor. Okay. Nice. Party's already going on, huh? Maybe I'm late, huh? Sorry, I was a little late. Huh? Yeah, maybe. I can. Okay, cheers, guys.
Cheers. This one is sweeter, way sweeter.
Yeah, it's really nice. It tastes nice. Hey, Alex, where are you going, man?
I need to leave. I'm
Where?
meeting with friends.
Okay. You don't like to cook, eat or cook something?
I
Anyway.
like to eat the food of we, but
Okay, anyways, next time. Huh?
Next time.
Nice meeting you, man.
nice to meet you.
Bye. So, Laura, so normally what you eat like in day-to-day routine, like how German people eat in daily routines?
I think German people eat a lot of bread.
Okay.
I also eat a lot of bread. I can eat it in the morning, evening,
At night.
at night.
Like normally you
I
eat
eat at night a lot, so yeah, also at night.
Okay, like 3 times. What eat with breads?
Like everything you want on it, like butter or cream,
Honey and all, huh?
honey, everything. Like
Okay,
sweet.
these are all only things that you eat. Bread.
No, it's not the
I
only
kn-
thing. Like I love to eat Asian food, but I don't know if it's typical German. I think typical German is like eating a lot of potatoes too.
Okay, potatoes too.
Potatoes, everything with potato is,
With breads also, huh?
yeah, like carbs, a lot of carbs. German love carbs.
Okay.
Yeah.
So personally, what you like to eat normally?
Like my favorite dish is like I think Vietnamese food.
Okay, meat
Yeah.
with meat, huh? Okay, you're
Also-
non-vegetarian, huh?
I've been vegetarian, and not anymore. Yeah.
Okay. Earlier you were vegetarian also, huh? But now you're non-vegetarian.
I am. Yeah.
So, Laura, so what you're gonna cook now?
We're gonna cook Panang curry.
Penang curry. Wow.
Penang curry.
So it's dish from which
from
country?
Thailand.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, who's gonna cook? This guy, huh? But promise was with you. Oh, so you invited him. That's why, huh? Okay,
Just
okay.
helping out.
Okay, your introduction once again, man. What's your name?
My name is V. Nice to meet
B.
you guys. Yeah.
V. Oh,
yes.
nice name, man. Okay, so what you are gonna cook and how?
Today we're gonna cook some Penang curry, which
Wow.
is quite famous, I think.
Mm-hmm.
We've got some jasmine rice over here.
Okay,
It's
nice.
the rice we usually use in Thailand.
So this 4.5 kg you are gonna cook total?
The complete package, man. All of the rice.
Okay.
You don't need all of these things, but a lot of rice. No, I'm just joking.
Wow. Okay. Then we maybe we can distribute also, huh?
We've
Okay.
got some
peanuts as well. They're roasted and salted as well. We've got some coconut milk, some peppers, tofu.
Wow.
This is like the leaves of a lime tree, a special lime
nice,
tree.
very
It's
nice.
called kaffir lime. We can use it as well to just get the lime flavor out of the leaves.
Perfect, man.
We've got curry paste, which only got like all the, how do I say it?
Traditional ingredients. Only like this.
Yes, it's like all the herbs we usually need for the curry.
Okay.
Some more peanut cream.
Okay.
And we can maybe start. Then it will be nice to see how you're gonna cook and what exactly you are adding, whatever the ingredients.
yeah.
Perfect, man. We can start, huh? So, guys, teamwork is going on. Everybody is just helping each other. Really nice. Wow. So, Max is cutting paprika. Wow. And what you are doing?
I'm trying.
You're trying to open it. And Laura is also like cutting some paprika. Wow.
Wie dick soll man die machen ungefähr?
Wow. Very nice. Good, guys. Good teamwork.
So oder dicker?
Ein bisschen dünner.
So?
And this is me just filming it, huh? Let me know if you need my help, huh?
So oder dünner?
You can just enjoy yourself.
Okay, just enjoy, huh? Just wait and shoot.
Du hast jetzt viel Wasser drin. Scheiße.
Ja, den musst du ein bisschen abtupfen und dann der ist.
Das
Das ist nicht so ein Gemüseschälen, das ist ein riesiges Fleischmesser.
ist eine Waffe.
Ja.
Wow.
I'm just gonna
It's like peanuts, huh? You are making peanut masala. So what is this? It's ice cream?
No, it's just like it's coconut milk, but it's quite thick, so I'm gonna reduce it to get some oil out of the coconut.
Okay. It looked like ice cream, huh? Vanilla flavor.
It does, yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Very nice. So you all are seems to be professional, huh? You're working in some restaurant, huh? Not really?
It's good when you have help from friends.
Oh, okay.
Wie passt es so in der Größe? Oder
So
kleiner?
eine Pfanne da.
Yeah, I
Aber wenn
think
die noch
medium
gewürfelt
size is
bleiben
good.
die so lang, die werden gewürfelt, oder?
We will wash the rice.
Wow, very good job, huh? Very big work you are going to do. Alex or Max?
Max actually.
Okay. So Max, what do you do normally?
So I'm trying to become a teacher in the future.
Okay, you're trying to become a teacher. So currently you're a student, huh?
Yeah, I'm a student right now.
And what about you? I forgot your name, sorry. Nicole. Okay, so Nicole, what do you do?
I finished studying law and now I'm like in the practical
Okay.
phase where you also have to study.
Okay.
I'm sort of working but sort of not.
Okay, so you are criminal like or the civil one?
Everything, we study everything.
Okay, study everything. But what you prefer? In which field you want to go? Civil, huh? Not criminal? You don't like criminal things? Perfect. So what do you do like apart from the cooking?
I'm studying still
Okay.
at university.
Okay, in which field?
I want to become a teacher as well.
Oh, you also like Max? Oh, nice. Now I remember your name, na?
Let's go.
So where are you from and why are you doing this?
Oh, I'm from India, and this just I'm doing by hobby. Full time I'm an engineer, but this I'm doing just my hobby. Yeah. So yeah, normally over the weekend I'm free, so I thought okay, let's do something different. Normally I used to do traveling like from almost last 2 years. So till now almost 12 countries I have traveled in Europe, and now I thought okay, let's add some crisp. So that's why I just started this one. So this is a first video. So you're the first one. So this It's really nice experience. You all are really nice guy.
Thank you.
Really nice meeting you.
Yeah, it's really nice to have you here.
Thank you. So, Laura, I forget to ask you, what you do?
I just finished my studies.
Okay,
I did
nice.
Social studies.
Okay.
And now I'm just chilling and searching for a job. And then
Okay, like in which field? Social studies, like something NGO or something you are trying to do?
just normal social studies, so I'm gonna work with humans like children or
Okay. Some social work kind of things, eh?
social worker. Yeah.
Wow, really? You're doing really nice job, eh? It's a good one, eh? Perfect. Okay, nice. This is also paprika? Orange paprika, red paprika? Nice. And what is this? A green one.
This is kaffir limes.
Okay. Yeah, nice. Perfect.
Okay, Laura. Now you put a spoonful of this one in.
What is this?
Super big
This
spoon.
is peanut butter.
Wow, peanut butter. Nice. Okay. One spoon, huh?
1 spoon.
It will taste good, huh?
So nehmen wir man ja jetzt abschütteln.
Nicole, what you are gonna do?
I'm trying to make more space.
Oh wow. Oh, technology, yeah. Bigger one, huh? Only this side and other side also. It's a...
And the other side also, but there's no much.
Oh, yeah, perfect. Good. Wow, good technology.
Okay, ich mach's kurz alles weg.
Hey, Mr. V, how much more time it will take?
We are done.
We already done, huh?
Yes.
Almost. And this, like, rice is also ready almost, I think so.
Yes,
It's
so
giving
that
whistle, huh?
Yeah.
Should be
Wow.
Soon as well.
good idea.
Then use that.
Also ich
Put
mal
it
unser
inside. And mix it
direkt
up
am Ende da machen können. eigentlich.
quite good.
Wow.
So it doesn't destroy it.
It's like in India we say it like cheese chili also. It's a pan curry. Eh? Here it's a pan curry.
Panang curry, yeah.
I thought that's nice.
Now I got it, huh? Right name, pan curry.
Panang curry.
Pan curry, it's a Thai dish.
Must be the schön.
And then when it's done, just the rice is done as well.
Perfect. So rice is ready, huh?
It's ready, yes.
Perfect.
Wie geht's dir sonst so?
So Laura is only going to serve, huh? Everybody's just waiting, huh? Who's feeling hungry? At least I am feeling hungry. And you?
Me too.
Yeah, you too? Everybody almost. It's really good teamwork. Really nice. Yeah, so Laura is like doing just good presentation things. Wow. Wow, very good presentation.
Okay.
And don't add too much. Everybody else also eat.
And then some coriander
Wow.
and the peanuts.
Oh my god. Many ingredients. Healthy dish.
And it's done.
Perfect. For me at least it's ready, eh? I can eat, eh? But anyways, I will eat with everyone. You can serve for everyone else also.
Yes.
For opening, what is this?
It's iced tea.
Okay. So you're mixing anything it or it's just directly we can drink?
It's straight from the bottle.
Okay. Like a wine or champagne? Perfect. It's a good combination. After wine, we can have some tea, huh?
But it's more sweeter tea.
Nice.
I'm not going to know how to really finish over.
bin super gespannt, Alter. Jetzt.
बहुत ज़्यादा अरेंजमेंट कर दिया उन्होंने यार, है ना? मैंने इतना सोचा नहीं था कि इतना बढ़िया अरेंजमेंट हो जाएगा। तो फर्स्ट टाइम और मज़ा आ गया। Wow, very nice presentation. All credit to everyone, including me.
Okay, guys.
Okay, cheers. Wow. अभी टेस्ट करते हैं और बताते हैं कैसी बनी है।
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Germany will say guten.
So I say like Mahlzeit or guten Appetit. Yeah, maybe I know few words, huh? Okay. Really awesome. Wow. Super. How you are feeling? Is it good? And Laura, you made it. Finally, huh? Okay. अभी हम खा गए आराम से, फिर करते हैं अभी बाद में थोड़ी देर बाद बात आपसे। So Laura, thank you so much for inviting me. And it was the first time like I was making this video for like cook for me in €100. And if I will say now, this was a prank. How you feel it?
What a prank do you mean?
Like it was not for €100. It was just a prank to eat something from stranger. What you will say? What's your expression or impression?
Then it is what it is. It's okay.
It's okay still. Oh my god, so nice of you. No, it was not prank. So nice of you. I really want to, as promised, I want to give you €100.
Thank you
So nice of you.
That's so nice.
How you feeling?
No.
Not good. That it's
I
okay.
expected a little bit that you're joking, but
Oh, you thought it was real prank or maybe it
no,
was?
I thought he was joking.
Ah, really? Yeah, you got it, obvious. So it was really nice meeting you all. Guys are really nice, and
so much.
maybe see you again, huh?
Thank you so much.
Nice
It was
meeting
so nice
you.
meeting you.
Yeah, I forget your name again. Nicole. Okay. Yeah. Bye bye, guys. Huh?
Thank you.
Hope to see you soon. Bye bye, guys. मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नया लेके। तब तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक पे भी कनेक्ट हो जाओ। मिलते हैं ऐसी वीडियो के साथ आपको किसी और स्ट्रेंजर के साथ। तब तक बाय बाय, टेक केयर, सी यू सून।